1, 2.
See? A big number 2.
2.
Yay! You can do it!
3. 4. 5.
number 11. See? 1, 1. 11. Hi, let's paint the number 12. First, a line for 1, then a 2. 12. See? You can do it. 13. See? 1, 3. 13. Yay!
14.
16. I'm painting the number 16. See the 1 and the 6? 16. 25. 25. 25. 33. 33. 33. 34. I'm painting the number 34. 35. I'm painting a 35. See? A big bold 35. 36. I'm painting a 36. See? It's a 36. 30, 17. 30, 17. 38. I'm painting 38. See? A big bold 38. Yay! 39. I'm painting a big 39. See? It's 39. 40. 40. 40. 41. 41. 41. 42. Let's paint it together. See? It's 42. 43. 43. 43. 44. 44. Hi, let's paint 45. First the 4, then the 5. 45, yay! 46. 46. 46. 47. 47. 47. 48. 48. 49. 49. 49. 49. 50. Fifth time. 51. See? 51. Yay! 51. painting a big 52. See? 52. 53. See? 53. 54. 55. 55. 55. 56. Fix. 56. 57. 57. 57. 58. 58. 59. Look, I'm painting 59. See? 59. 60. 60. 61. I'm painting the number 61. See? 61. 62. 63. 63. 63. 63. 64. See? A big bold 64. Yay! 64. 65. 65. 65. 66. See? 66. Yay! 66. 67. 67. 68. I'm painting the number 68. See? 68. 69. 69. 70. 70. 70. 71. 71. 72. 73. 73. 74. 74. 75. 75. 75. 76. Look, it's a big number. 76. 77. 77. 77. 78. See? This is the number 78. 78 is a fun number. 79. 79. 79. 80. See? I'm painting the number 80. 80. 81. 81. 82. I'm painting the number 82. See? 82. 83. 83. 84. I'm painting the number 84. 85. Look, I painted the number 85. Can you say 85? 86. I'm painting the number 86. See? 86. 87. 88. I'm painting 88. See? 88. Yay! 89. 89. 89. 90. I'm painting a 90. See? 90. 91. 91. 91. 92. 92. 93. 98. 93. 94. 94. 94. 95. See? It's a 9 and a 5. 95. 96.